What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Maths Guide. Today we are looking at how to work out the angles on a straight line. So let's go. Okay, so what do we need to remember today? Well, we need to remember that angles on a straight line always equal 180 degrees. So in other words, if we look at this first example here, we have angle A and angle B, and we have this straight line here that we're measuring from. So what we're saying is that angle A added to angle B must equal 180. So if we take that same logic and work out this green chili challenge, this first example, we can see that angle A is now 70 degrees. So 70 plus B, because we don't have this degrees yet, must equal 180. But we need to get B on its own, and to get B on its own, I'm going to put B equals 180. And because I'm now moving the 70 onto the other side of the equals line, it's going to do the inverse operation, which in this case is subtraction. B equals 180 subtract 70. Therefore, B equals 110 degrees. So this angle here, 110 degrees. And we can check that by adding my 70 to 110 and make sure I get 180, which I do. Let's have a look at this orange chili challenge, a little bit harder, because we now have angle A, we have this unknown angle in the middle, but we have angle C as 55 degree. Or in other words, we have angle A added to the question mark, added to 55, equals 180. But what we should know about angles so far is that when we have this little square in the middle of my angle, it actually represents 90 degrees. It's just another way of showing 90 degrees. So using my algebra down here again, I would have A plus 90 plus 55 equals 180. And to get A on its own, I need A equals 180 subtract 90 subtract 55. Or in other words, A equals 180 subtract 145, and therefore A equals 35 degrees. And again, we can check that by plugging it in, saying 35 degrees, and just add them all up. 35 plus my 90 is 125, plus my 55, 180. Okay, let's look at a red chili challenge. This red chili challenge is pretty tricky because what we've got here is we've got 3x and we've got x. What is the value of x? Well, we can just use our algebra again, and we know that 3x added to the single x must still equal 180. Well, what have I got on this side? I've got 3x plus x, which in other words says 4x. So 4x equals 180, but to get x on its own, I need to do the inverse again. So it would be x equals 180 divided by 4, and therefore x equals 45 degrees. And I've just used algebra to help me here. Pretty straightforward. All I've got to understand is how to create the inverse. And in this example, 4x is actually saying 4 lots of x, or 4 times x. So the inverse would be division. Now it's your turn. Have a go at these 3 questions here. Can you work out what these values are? Remember, all angles on a straight line equal 180 degrees. Press pause on the video now, take your time, and put your answers in the comment section. Good luck. And there you have it. That is how to work out the angles on a straight line. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it was, head on over to themathshelter.com, where you're going to find loads more videos to help you with everything you need for your year group. But for now, guys, see you in another video. Peace out.